Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show Motorola Gallery option not showing problem. Go to phone setting, then scroll down, tap on apps, click on see all apps and search gallery. Gallery option not showing on my device. Now go to Play Store and search Google Gallery. Click on Gallery. Tap on install. Install this gallery app. Go back home screen and open on gallery. You can use this gallery app easily in your Motorola phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.